What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So my people, may have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we know say Rosealee and JX right now, but them are the hottest topic on the internet because I was going last night or Rosealee got him yard and one bag or something. So everybody have them opinion on that. Me share some of it with one of my people. So we have Dan, you know, I talk about the situation with our people them. We have Rosealee, you know, my people come talk some things cause Rosa say GX lick him mother. You see me I say? And people, he look like see a real something people them did attack. Say GX did a knock Rosealee and a knock the mother also. You understand me I say? GX show the foundation of the place and you know what I mean, the man them a work on the place scene. We have also Pretti than a beat Rosealee and a defend GX. You see me? We have a bunch of things with people. We have TikTok liar a defend GX and say GX right to video the place. But people, the word on the street is that a TikTok liar tell GX to video the place in the first place. Yes, what I say? So here we go with people. I don't know where I left out, but anything when left out of the intro and I got here in the video. So maybe add more things as we go on, so make we get tonight.
When a man people go look at the island and give her the kids because what she are doing is wrong.
When a man will do that, we as
man family, them with remote, and we all tell you something. Tell you I never say look we here. All know this. Head eye, and gotta go send somebody to give him a job. Here,
you know, I'm not saying Rose right.
Click my life, and like I tell you something, sir. I'm a stranger,
you know,
I have links and I'm going to try to reach out to get one of the people them, either a member of parliament or somebody to get a work for Jay. You hear me? This TikTok and free money is the reason I need to get a job. So you can even tell me what I'm doing with the media,
so we can hear it back.
Too much people are talking on that, no, listen, sir. I'm trying to reach out to some people for Jay.
The most important job we focus on is the kids them, and that we will continue and forever.
Get a job, get a job.
Come together because what them put together is a force to reckon with. Rose and GX is a force to reckon with. The two of them come together would be.
Who is your moderator? Who is your moderator? Just mute and let one somebody talk at a time now. Everybody has
can start get below off a TikTok. My girl, let us GX can start below off a TikTok and next time I go take up himself go. I must say mad. One thing
I think that Jake doesn't want to anymore because after I think that is enough.
But free money can't.
Let me tell you something.
Go man alone. Let's see Rosealee
I said free money.
Rosealee.
Let me tell you all something. A man can take and take and take. She should have never disrespected more than everyone. She crossed her.
And the next thing to GX Snafy video woman now. Snafy go on her life. I can't make Rose.
I know say and the people them cause JX because alright, JX to be video house.
You can't see say JX.
No, half of my own experience. If JX to have video in a Rose house, he would have go in the bathroom, he would have go on the veranda, he would have go in the kitchen. I feel like me don't know if me wrong, but I think that he was just securing himself to say that for me. I think that's what he was doing.
But that's the reason video to the phone, not your phone.
The people in Twitter said video before you leave.
No.
Before she not come tell.
That's what I'm saying. Actually do it the way probably Rose might think. That is video in her house.
Rose is
that's
so
what he was actually doing.
She's going through all that and Akiman they means to come out and say that you know what she's going through nothing because they already use her. They already get what they want from her. And she doesn't realize that.
Rosealee a finger in body.
I must say people them are family. I must say them is family. They must say get 2 kids with her.
You man of your
they've been together. Remember say, baby girl. Remember say, GX they with Rose from before Rose famous on TikTok.
Yeah, but she did have to come down and bring him down. She did have to come down and bring him down like that.
My girl, go my girl. GX not bring down Rosealee too.
No man, tell a light from now pick up fame. If a screen record, maybe I missed it. I don't know. But I've not seen a screen record where takes bring down Rosealee. I've yet to see one.
Oi, you see what they go on? How much time we dey on live my ear Jakes lick Rosealee in her ass. Eh?
Never read no screen record same liquor. I know say verbally abuse her.
Yeah, so no still lick Friday abuse her.
When physically hit her.
Well, if that is the case, I don't think none of them will get the child. If that is the case,
She look like the one was provocative to me. What make the man probably end up like her. Not saying that if him do it, it is right.
Because if all is saying that he's doing the same thing online, which means none of them would get the child.
Something
much cut rose off on him inside and outside.
Yeah, no, here's the cut where the panara and him here and our neighbor war.
No, that's a
you know, see the video with them in that live.
All if I neighbor. All if I neighbor. Jake's
the neighbor different from Jake. Something don't make no sense, yo.
Jake's cutting.
You know me think me personally think based on what I saw last night with Rose and the live, the way she that behave with attack Jakes, me feel like I know beat Jakes beat her, me feel like them fight. And all our relationship
listen to me. Me and man, all when a big and fat, me thump in here, you can run
so
up
code life, here or whatever you need.
Yeah, man,
So you would want a woman come bring you down
and a straight do it, and a straight do it.
No, who don't want a woman come bring you
down. The man can't lick me. Fight me and my man have to fight, the man can't lick me, the boy can't lick me. So probably the same mentality that with the Rose and Jakes.
No,
fight them fight.
No put it your way. Two of them are different person. Jakes a beat out Rosealee, your ass a see you. How much night? Off camera and on camera and mute.
Well, I don't think none of them going to fight this child.
So I don't know.
It don't make no sense. None of them will end up with a child.
I'm gonna ask this man with a funny life. He not go talk it truth, you know. Ask him, we're not even hearing. We're not even hearing.
You live a sea view?
We not here. Be the face boy. We not here. So do no camera. But
it was like not here.
The money not ask no disrespect.
The boy go suck your mother boy. Give back your money phone. Pussy and go look at her.
Come on for the people them platform.
Support the big supporter, but you have to speak justice code life. It seems like you're one of those biggest fans, but you have to speak justice, brother.
You know a man that have no sense. Listen what me that say. I think somebody say Jake wasn't supposed to expose.
The way that go video on so.
You have to do the thing. But you have to understand, you know.
Right.
Jake's not earth a long time and not
here.
And then
I think in Port Life got suck your mother.
People life.
We're not here. And too much people attack one time. Mute some of them. And take control on the box.
Yeah, everybody can talk at the same time for sure.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think, right? Because see Jakes a show the foundation, you know, and also I will give an update as to the progress of the house, you know what I mean, and the casting and them something there. So like we hear what you must see and then we move on to the next.
Progress are going, you know. Can't find things about me if you try to bring up, if you try to get to she. You see it? There are 5, I'm going to put my idea and so size with it. Put me in the 5 feet range. Some 5 sit maybe. I'm not 5 flat, let me tell you. That shot? Mr. Shot, I mean, yeah, Mr. Shot, I mean, not shot, that's not shot, that is not shot. Listen now, I don't shot. You see it? I don't understand you. Your friend for know some good at all, you know. Yeah, your friend if you know some at all. You can't touch the thing, say. Yeah. That's the average human height that. You see, the basketball I'm a 6 and 7 and them sitting there. Average human height are 5'7", 5'8". Or 5'9" total for average. You see it? But I mean, to me, I tell me, say, yo, fold. We never tell me fold it. We never tell me that. When I got sent last night, big man thing. Last night I was irritated. You understand? But come on, man. We're bigger than that, man. You see? Never. Can't do that. You mad? I tell people, you know, if me for the ship out at sea and wreckage go on and way. I'm not just drown, so. You're crazy. Me not just get up and drown, so. Me can use my passport for use on birth paper. My license, I have my TERR0RIZE, but my NIS, I need my NIS. Come tell me about that for 5 minutes, now I feel sorry for nobody. But now I feel sorry for me now. She for give me it back. That me I tell her now. You see that I teach for school ID. So she broke up that. You got a bad, hey. I go down in her back and I go follow her up and I really, at the moment now, I don't need them. If I think open, I know say, yo, I want my birth paper, I want my NIS, I want my NIS. Of course, but she forgive me my thing then. I already have them. And I lost them. They were never. No, she have a pin in them passport. I'm not gonna with that pin in them, but she have everything else. Take what belongs to me. What do you mean by take what pin in them? Hey, leave me alone there. We take what belongs to me. What do you mean by why I leave them? That you know, nice insurance number. You understand? But ugly now, but not so much. Yeah? Let's see, this one is steel cage for the color. Jamaica beautiful, of course, and it's the ghetto part. Supposed to go up on the uptown part and the north coast part. It's a sea view. You understand? And you can say sea view. Tina Marie. A cage. Alright, this is the rest of the cage them. The column them. Steel is the steel that I have some more. One Steely. Big up Steely. Yes sir. Yes it. It's gonna start now because the freaking Wi-Fi. See drive. See them. So the connection now gets strong in this thing.
You're homeless. Why you terrorize the people them? We don't even want to come on social media come in an argument. So it's not me the problem, it's Jakes. Him don't want to leave. Me don't want your brother leave me alone. Me left, me yard from last night, me sweep up, me clean up the rat sheet, clean up my room, change the sheet. When me I leave last night, I forgot to take my mother number. Cause I pay her for wash up some clothes and tidy up the place. I pay her for wash the clothes them for me. In the machine. Yeah, I'm going to buy soap and the things them. So I call one call and I ask her how far you reach. I mean, know my mama. If in her backbone and the things them, she not gonna get things done. You have to call her and ensure she do it. Cause she will do some and oh, me I rest off till tomorrow and then all week she not do it. And then they are in a some store about the same thing. So I try to get to them from last night. So I'm gonna try to get to them from this morning. Somebody tell me say, oh, Jake's run her down with big stone, round and round the scheme this morning with one bag of excitement. Then look up people car glass. It's so I call Jakes and say, Jakes, where you keep on a text set pan the people them. Jakes tell me say, where you talk about nothing no go so. A station no man come from. And the patrol pick them up for go back in a scheme. And then y'all on social media talking about, oh, Jakes is left in me. So, oh, Jakes, y'all left me wealthy and lonely, but yes, it's an arm move. Oh, y'all left Rosealee wealthy and lonely, but yet still, you're not moving. Me not there, you know want me. You find foreign woman fine. You can't girl come in the bed fuck fine. But you still not move. So who really obsessed over who? Last time in my yard from my phone, I left way there come across the road. For listen to my conversation for it to be taped on live. That's why I get up and went come straight to you. So all over talk about oh me. I don't want to talk about oh me, I provoke him. You say you move out, but I put my phone in my yard, you left from all the way there come across the road. Fee, them can't hear my voice in the background.
People, let me know what you think in the comment section, right? Cause in the first place, no rat shit not supposed to in your place where you have your clothes them and them something there. You see me I say no rat not supposed to in your room at that. You understand? But me know say some people have car food going to them place and you know what I mean chill and watch some TV and eat something and you know what I mean. But me feel like say Rosealee just dash down things nasty in her place. So that's why them in our place so till them can go in away our clothes them they go defi. Boy people, channel no sir. Rosealee has a big woman and I make money. You need to break up your folly grounds and change your ways and just shut your eye and spend a piece of money on your house. Don't bother say you gotta wait till you can build a house. No. At the end of the day, your family them are gonna benefit from it same way. Even if a family house and them way there. Listen, you already lived there much years of your life, so you at least can spend a piece of money on it. Come on. Spend a money on your house, nice it up, nice up your room. You have it.
Come never that whisper, come don't know if whisper. So you left away there, you know, and find yourself, you know, cross the road with a live. So me time when me in the background and talk, people on the live can hear me. Cause you want to come paint one picture over ya. And that's why I get up and talk even louder. For them, I eventually hear what me I say. Me not attack you. When me having my weapon, cause me know you like to attack people. And these are the things that is here. You trigger me, me no want you around me. I want come talk, the one on beat me, come and beat me, cause I'm a human being, me an animal, me a hog. What more can I bear? What more am I taking a life from people? Me not get no strength. What more am I do? This man need to leave. What me attack this man to leave for? Is who attack who now? Me leave me and I come back on my Airbnb when me there. I gone over me yard and terrorize who live there? No. So who no want to leave? And I gotta tell my mother say you can't try to quark or you catch it short. A station, I come tell I go a station from last come know. When I come on social media, when I come on social media and I tell social media that I don't want Jakes. You laugh at me and turn the situation into something that like Mr. Mascot and Mr. Fool. And when I come on social media and I say to you guys that I don't want jakes, put up memes and put up all that type of things as if something is wrong with me, or no man no want me, or me a left man, or this and that and that. I know Jakes, I know Andrew Beckford, I know Andrew Garcia Bartholomew Beckford. Him no rest. I want to say Andrew Garcia Bartholomew Beckford no rest. Him come like a wandering spirit. He doesn't rest. Him not have no abiding city. Him don't know when for done. Him don't know when for stop. And him don't know when to chill. He's when him come on the net, he's only put on a persona for gift. Why I need to leave my environment to prove you? So Jakes, I see you done. Yeah, I see you done. Why you your mama terrorize my mama? We don't class each other already, as you can see yesterday upon the live, and I left and people over them yard peaceful. But you know why Jakes do this? Because I have no bad family. Because Jakes, if me have one brother, if me have one brother, one uncle, or one cousin, we are shatter, you would have think twice. I just because my stepfather is not that type of violent man. I'm almost a female in my family. You pray for woman strength. Come you know you're not bad. You pray for people where you pray for people where you feel like say you can't come to them and they must curl up. You use your lawnmower and cow down people. Come you know me know you're not bad. I regular me have to defend. But the last night too, I go over the door, go over the run, come lick me upon the live. I get a hype. But it's true me know you. Like how me know Jesus love the little children. Oh, the children in the world, me never gonna face empty-handed. Me have to have a weapon. So as you rise, I pay. We all pay a quarter anchor. As you rise, I pay. Cause me never gonna make you lick me. I'm gonna lick you back. So when I sim with something, you start double cross and think. So before you lick me, you tell them turn the camera upon me. I was standing there, I never moved. You can't play the mind game yourself. You see, before you lick me, you turn camera upon me. And then that when turning the camera upon me is buying time for somebody to come hold on by you. And you know if you lick me, you know me gonna juke you up. So turn the camera on me. See, one bag of people come and yo, stop. No matter what it is, waste girl, your mother come waste girl. Like I said, you can't call me waste girl and you don't live nowhere. But anyway, I would have pray his cockroach mother of any mind. I would have never pay Jake's cockroach mother for mine. Cause she's strictly cockroach. And I wouldn't say drunker to me in a hummingbird. Because she's a drunker when she master the only drunker would have never turned in a hummingbird. The cure she beard.
Some people want to tell me what they think in the comment section, right? And we just have to say this, Jakes, you need to leave Rosealee and her people alone. Because you see at the end of the day, you're going to make your temper, you're going to make your arrogancy, you're going to make whatever in you feel like hurt or do somebody something, you're going to make that be a downfall. The people them a check for you now. TikTok is an unforgiving place. Them we done with you instantly. Focus on your house and your English and rank. That's all me can tell you.
So I know exactly what you were doing last night, but I'm not afraid of the media. They can always bash me, they can always come up and bring me down. I'm not afraid of the media. You know you trigger me off. You know what you do for me in the morning. You know what you're doing in the morning. You came at the yard in the night when I clean up in the evening. Cause my sister say come in the room. I'm so when the stem just passes so. All far him come in here. So you are buying time. So I'm partly done now. I'm the crap over me at the top on my phone. You make sure come and click your live and over there like a match up like you're so innocent. You click the blood clot live yesterday. After you sleeping on my bed, you click your live, you do what you do. You come, you left a weird way where you come round me for trigger me off. And then when the after class I'm end up leave. And you click your live and oh man, pin a man, I'm this and that. You're still I tapped my parents them from last night. And you wake up 6 o'clock this morning, Jakes. Come in, you don't sleep. Forgot to tap the people them 6 o'clock this morning. We are running my mother with big stone fam. I'm a sister. And I threaten the people them run at the yard. Yeah, I threaten my sister. Yeah, I threaten my sister. Then look who one of my mother. Because they are females. It's woman strength to have. And you nah stop. And you come on social media and play this cute, innocent persona like I am the aggressor. Use pure evil. You come on social media and paint the people like I am the aggressor. And I'm me a trouble and I'm me a fast with you. And you are left me and me a crash out. I'm gonna have to tell the world say 10,000 people there, so I'm out and I talk to support and people that sense. How can I stop talking about this man when this man is not avoiding me? You see, I get a new apartment, you're moving, I get a new apartment. It's a fair personal life, you know. I'm there, some no just say my yard, and who me tell? Tell Munchi. Me tell Munchi. Me tell Angela. Me tell Diamond. Me tell Munchi. Me tell Angela. Me tell Diamond. Me tell Toto. Me tell Spicy Kana. Me tell Virgo. No, me I tell Uno pan TikTok. You say all you see Jakes I do, Jakes been there my yard. Him not leave. So the come out, him say I come out and this him say my this and that him say my that, him there my house. You know him do 2 days ago, him start the live cross the road. As when the live lock off, him find my bed. Him start the live outer road. And when the live lock off, him find my bed. A long time I don't want Jakes, you know. It's true, Jakes, I'm a baby father. And I know him in a predicament here. And that's why I'm still sorry for him and have him around me. Because I know him not have nowhere to go. Because I hear mama come and chat on a class, she cannot put him up. She cannot put him up. And I swear to God, all they come and I'm a son, I'm here to defend my son, I'm here to have my son back. You can't have your son back when you can't put up your son. Use a croft, a mother that does not prepare somewhere for their kids is a croft. And that is the reason why someone I want to me a croft now. But I'm never gonna be a croft in the future because me I try to prepare somewhere for my kids. So them all like them father, them now turn wandering spirit per man and woman. So them have so many nicknames. Home can go home. All me around Jakes him now move because him now have nowhere to go. Why social media can't look on it and see that? It boy now know where to go. You make video say you move out, where you move, go. How comes you wake up 6 o'clock this morning and I tired the people run on my yard? How come the mother for reach a station? Liar intervenes, Skydiamond intervene because you're not very enough. She mother intervene because you're very enough too. You're not very enough. I like class. I want to speak true right and facts. Speak true right and facts. The girl your daughter you live, every day say you leave. How comes to reach back, run on the people yard and terrorize the people them? Me know not like me, you know. Me know not like me. But put away the H's from me and speak the truth. Him say I move out. How come this man at 6 o'clock? Yeah, terrorize the people him and I got talk to them. If them can't catch me, if him can't catch me, him I gotta deal with them. But tell my mother say, you know, when they pull them ask if a bad man, you should tell him yes. You should tell him yes. You shouldn't tell him no, tell him yes. Your class me a this, your mama class me last night. Your mama class me last night, dog run. Okay then fine. Me this, me stink, me sour, me this. Batty man a fuck me this, that me shit up me this. Alright, okay then. Me no have no problem. Leave. Unless I'm a beg Jackson to leave. And it come like say before it sweet it bitter. Me can't go home again. Never stay here more longer. Until me get the court hard and something start out. I can't go home, I can't leave. Him not leaving, you know. And then I move go somewhere else. Long as him know him, like if the kids are gonna come around me.
People, GX look to me like a youth where you would say, where I call it, determined to mash up somebody. You know what I mean? It's a youth where have a temper. You see me I say? And it looks like see over the years, him a do Rosealee and her family them a certain, you know what I mean, rush them certain way and way. But this way I have to tell him, if him a do them something that Rosealee say him a do, him need to stop because that a go be him downfall. It's either Rosealee a go lock him up or people on TikTok a go done with him. So him have to be careful what him a do, you know. You know what I mean? You move out, your relationship done. Love the woman and her family, them simple as that. Go find a female for yourself. The English into you, go and deal with the English. You see me?
I'm gonna ask them to come terrorize me same way. No care where in the world I'm gonna go. If you ever watch some movie with some woman, no care the man treat her but try to move on with her life, change her image, her name, her cut her ear. Go to a movie there with woman. Woman I treat them but then I try to run for man. And I carry them cut them ear, change them image. Move. Come off of the radio for months, years. Man still until I find her back. Because you don't want me to leave. And then me I leave your Jakes. And social media say at this point that me I leave and you I leave me. Because if you were leaving me, Jakes, my mother wouldn't have a gas station for you today. You wouldn't cut my stepfather Friday and you can't get in my bed, go fuck. If you were leaving me and I'm crashing out. As we a porn star say, pan our life, that the man woman, when name Chevy, oh she's leaving and she's crashing out. Chevy, you don't know shit. Chevy, I mean no one Jakes. And Jakes now have nowhere for go. You can't help him neither. And the only person who can to help Jakes in life are me. And you know one that leave him, no time. The only person who have Jakes back in her life was Rosealee. Him baby man, not even mama not care for him, so not even him granny. Me. And him don't want to lose that. Him not leaving. And you see if me take a restraining order, he was. Let me get rid of Jakes. No for sure. No, me let me all of my move, me can't get rid of him. Me can't get rid of Jakes. I can't get rid of him. Jakes is like a virus infested in your blood. They cure my medication I take I can't. What me can't get rid of Jakes chat. And that's why I've been avoid me hard. Me can't get rid of Jakes. You come and say you don't want me, you come here say you don't want me, and you come here say you move out. So why you come and come here say you don't want me, you come here and you say you move out, fine. Why you terrorize the people around my yard? Because what? Them lock you out last night. I locked my door with my bed, and I told my mom to lock the grill, so you locked out. So you're rotten mouth, mama. We'll come over here with our chimney mouth. What the pan? Can't put you up. Me have to lie upon you. Me have to lie upon you. Your rotten mouth mama come and upon live and chat up. Can't put you up. Because she 100% cruff. She not secure no in her life if you are pitney. She only secure some if you are belly, her hole and her head. That's all master care about. And we know this. And when I come on social media and I talk about these things, you don't say me a liar. I mean, like, I'm gonna need proof to talk out of my mouth. The only thing Jake's mama secure in her life is her something for lay her head, something for yam, and her big pussy for fuck out her. Master don't want two good pair of slippers. Master don't own 2 good furniture. Master don't own an account. So she come back social media classmate, so she look, the teeth lick out, the tongue one brush, the wall of them out white and soddy, like people have epilepsy, and the ear one comb. You come and see a difference and take in your son. If I was defending Barbar from a female who don't want him anymore, me I move him from around her. You say me a waste girl, but you see the son now have no. Me a waste girl, you a good girl, you can't put up a son. And the waste girl have to put up a son. Because you don't want him kindness and weakness. You near me out and him near me out too. And none of that. That done with. You come on social media laughing at her, but oh, your son never chop me alive, me I tell. See the chop here? See it here. 17 stitches inside out. The video said 18, whenever I edit it back. At 17 stitches inside out. See it here? This is what me and the girl man fight. This is the cut. This is the girl we are talking about the cut and our man. See the cut here. This is how your son doing. Who I lied, man, see? Me and you. Me and you. You can't do ear and look for your ear. You don't even tidy for big woman. You don't even tidy for big woman. Same as when you wake up out of your bed after you come out the street. I'm not gonna argue with you, because I know you're nothing. I don't waste my time for people on my feed. I tell you that already, because you can't class me. Because all of who you try class I live better than you. Go back, go get your son a bed. Your son over here around by a bed. Buy a bed. Your son over your rank. Buy rum, pay a man, start cap the black them. Me case and cap the black them. Me case and me that me say me was a son. Me that me case and cap the black them. Me case and classic. Me case and cast it. Put one ply right at the doorway this song and lie down on my unfinished building. As some people believe it. As some people start from scratch. You can't want each up on me and depend on me all the while for shelter you. You don't want to put a foot forward. It's a cruff. When you start from scratch, you start anyway and anyway life take you. Whether you want homeless, bedless, footless, handless, teethless. As you start from scratch. And when you improve, you will look at your improvement and thank you, Father God. Come here, start from scratch, going zero. Jakes don't want to start from scratch. Jakes want to sleep out my bed, fuck up my wall for free, spend my money same way, and have me a beat. You see, you move out, you get no up, you video the road straw where your clothes come out. Video my passport, my dildo in the drawer. You say you move out. If you move out, how come you tell me at 6 o'clock this morning? I terrorize the people them. Because if them don't like you long time, you're very violent, and your kids are not home and I'm not home, so they don't want you there because you don't have no need to be there because them is not family. You go like at your house. Nobody can't tell you what to do. You fuck girl, you fuck Ali up on my bed Friday night. And good God, as much as me and them can't green on me yard, them go talk about it, because that's strictly disrespect. And my mother start to talk. I said, Drake, you can't do that. If you go fuck Ali, you can't Ali out the road in one corner, where you choose to carry up on my daughter bed. You can't do my daughter that. You want war, my mama. I told my stepfather talk about it.
Well, my people, I will tell more the thinking in the comment section, and this we have to say to our GX mother. She need to come out of the foolishness, you know what I mean? Make Rosealee and GX avoid them thing. If you go unite or intervene, I must be part it and tell them to live good, or tell your son to leave her alone. Because if you come in and defend him, and then when you check it out, some of the things them where you see a lie, the people them are going to tear you down. You know what I mean? So just make GX and Rosealee avoid them thing. People make me know what to think.
Fuck the man. And then when I come back social media, come talk, when you say, oh, me a liar, and me a run behind a GX, and me a this, and me a that. So, oh, me a run behind a GX, and me a run from him. If me never want GX to left me, what me a do your son? Chevy, you have sense? You know, say I chat too much body mount, girl. You just love chat. If me, a crash out car GX left me, why would I be here? Me know would that there me yard. Where him there? Me the far how much in miles away from man and I crash out the man and left me. Me and Jakes just there. Me don't know Jakes and I and stay on no leg or nothing. Chat all 3 years from now, Jakes are on the one story, kind of leg or nothing. And at 9, you know, you get sleepless nights and the things them. Hold on. And this man when I come from say, why you terrorize the people them? You know what I'm saying? What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about. I don't know what you talk about that hang up. You know exactly, you're a liar. And I can't like you. When the press comes, this man tells me they run them down with big stone. I believe them. Coming out, I know how you stay. And the reason I'm not going down there for man is because I never get my mother phone and my sister phone. Yeah.
I'm reaching the house now. I'm not seeing him. So the police are like, yeah, get him.
So you don't see him neither?
No, I'm not seeing him either.
You don't see him neither? So what the police them do?
I believe it's a little family benefit. It's like, the walk around and look at systems of cancer.
You're not going to see me, I'm not going to do the yard, and he's not going to say I'm not going to do the yard. He's not going to come when them gone.
Them climbed you.
I hear him, what I have to do?
I can't look at that, see.
Let's move, thanks. In our house, I hear him, what I have to do? You know in our house?
No, in our house, you coming at me.
So she coming at the yard?
Come out that door. The girl come, stinking pussy man, say I'm coming here and say, come out and up. Like the girl have a secret from you and something to her. Let me have to ask Anisha. Like the girl have a secret from you and something. I told the man who told me house. Come out and leave, come out right now. Like kids don't know if you give the man, give the man blood.
That's the last night when me gone.
Yeah.
My mother, you're not going to see him now. My mother, you're not going to see him now.
Hey. You hear that now?
You not go see him now. You want to do. You have to know so you make a report. I want to come. When you come back, come attack you no gang him. 3 pound a murder. Don't afraid of him. Lick him first hard. Him not gonna stop. I want him and a 3 uno. Lick him in the head with something.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, if him come to the yard, you know, come provoke you know, you can't and you damage him, you know, you can't go to prison, you know, because you the yard, you there. Don't afraid of him.
Yes, Lord.
Don't afraid of him. You have to stand up to Jake and make just in afraid of him. Not afraid of him. If him lick you, don't afraid to stab him. Don't afraid. He might get too much now. And when the police, when the guard station, the police gonna come flick him, I go hide. He might go wait until them gone and come back and attack. I say him work. Don't afraid of him. Have piece of stick, I want stone or so, for dump it in him head. He might talk to you and he shall dump the stone in him head. Lick him hard. Knock him out. What you say?
I said, I'm feeling my fist in the elbow.
I don't in them sleep last night.
No, I'm just sleeping here.
Well, people, I want to tell me what you think. And to the persons them on TikTok who are defend GX, we no need to tell him to leave the woman people them alone. Just like when I defend him, you can tell him, say, yo, leave the people them alone.
Like you want to come scare somebody. First they come, like you said, I intimidate somebody. First they come. Him after one time when I have the light. Then she starts, like she knows someone, but says thinking pussy woman, where? And if you say pussy thinking, remember that. But come out and say you can't do nothing. Because I'm not for you. Something back. So I can't remember what I feel you see me so. I said, fuck pussy cheats. See how I said to you, come over to my family back. See now Joe, get up soon after me. So when I say so pussy cheats, in Russia I'm around. But not in a lie. Because you say you say I'm going to kill me. Then my class will have been sure if I need to say some quick things you want to. I couldn't let one can. I don't know how to put it back in him. I give it to ooh, without killing.
So this morning, 6 o'clock this morning, when I come to the yard, him did they cross the road.
Yeah. Like in bleach over this now, they pass away to come out. I don't say, but can't come out from last night, you know. So I said, show me the night run off, you know?
Yeah. So when I come out this morning,
can't wash. Come on, no, like that, I him come with me. Yeah. I him come and do that, say something. Exactly. I never come out and say that shop, you know. I him come with me. I him come and move to turn and say something. Now that I know what I'm saying, but there's no fear still. I never take up and say, you know, some of that shop, I'm not going to know. So when I go and look, he say you can't stay comfortable, that's him say. Alright. I want to can't stay comfortable in my grandmother's house. I want. It's one man.
So hold on, him say my move for yesterday.
So I'm going to still down there on the house. And still down there on the house. When I was in my mother, I can't go over there. So I don't know my grandmother's house. And I hear my great grandmother, I don't stop it, I don't fit them family place. But that's home mistake.
So I'm ask you a question. So like how him mama a cousin of one, but why should I put him over a gully? She can't put him up.
I must be over them
up over the gully where she catch.
Put him up.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So if you come and quarrel, if you come and say you defend your son, where you can't put up your son over where there?
I'm nowhere.
Cause she got nowhere. Simple. We can't, why, Anisha, this is just too much. Like, me and that animal attack on it's just too much. When we reach the other call you, do all on the rock tears and beach for.
I mean, if I just get over and chop him. I spent so long away watching. I don't see him come at the gate and it's like you want to come push him.
You want to come push you?
Push him for come fight him.
Hmm?
And he want to open the gate so I can't fight him.
Anisha,
What do you say, man?
you know sick Jake's a mad out sister girl?
I'll be a sicker. I see it, bro.
Him a mad out.
Somebody hide him wild as fuck.
Me know him hide him a while, him a mad out.
Hold on.
Him a Jake's a mad out. Cause I'm not telling me that there's an obsession of madness. Me say my mad out. Jake's a mad out, sister girl.
No, I think I'm mad out and take him madness out from me. Make him go over the gully for Sandy, but it didn't matter. But I see him for angry.
Yeah, but you not argue with her. Because we are come not more than wake up this man if you use Wi-Fi each on the Wi-Fi and then now pick up, come cut the card. And that's why I cut it from last time, because I know say him go walk up each up at the yard for each on the Wi-Fi and coming at the yard and now paying about the mile and slow and do live in the yard on the Wi-Fi. I'm cut the card. And me I pay the bill.
Yes?
So Laverne didn't start the business yet.
She just come in.
Hear me? So if a man in there, so after what time in the police station?
Morning.
Yeah.
If I was still down here at school, we'll go on the station.
Family boy at the after 8 bells.
Yeah.
And that's why I never get on the phone.
I have to come back home for it. I wouldn't even go to trainer and come. What's your friend and I tell her what you want to catch one nearby. We'll find a kid at school and then. But if I'm just going to go out to
So never gonna see we get the police station.
Just come around here 3 times and still come around here.
So you go. So see we get the police station now, don't nothing at all.
No, other than come on.
My people, yo, I so much sitting Rosealee have to do to get rid of GX, man. And the man find a way to make money. He also find a woman who interested in him. So me I say, so look a thing I go on for him, look a progress him a move up. So this me I wonder, my people, what if him never find them thing there? Oh, it a go. Cha people, we are gonna move on to the next.
Last night too, when Kayla called him, one of them come and say, well, I don't see anybody. Everybody come and let them excitement those guys and they know the police are coming to scatter.
Ungrateful. When me say ungrateful, them very ungrateful. Alright. You say you want money for make house, so you pitney them. You get the money. Alright, you get the money for do what you want to do. You can't depend on the internet and you not even look for your way. And you just do your thing. She attack, you don't even look.
Because if you looking at you and say, John no star, you know, say at the end of the day, I'd be take care of me for all the years and years and years. Me know a jealous make him a go on. So it two wanna know in one another inside out. And know what trigger for no one another. It two wanna know inside out and know what trigger for no one another. A big pussy hole thing you do yesterday. And the only people them where rejoice about it are the one them where she and them have problem where them not like her. But a woman, where a real woman, I go look on the situation and say whether me like her or me not like her. A big pussy hole thing this go on yesterday. A big idiot thing this go on. But remember, karma is a bitch. And the same people them where you see a cheer for you now. And them I go tell yourself you go look blood clot work and more if you know if I that. If I saw you feel like everyday people them I go get up and mind you. Yeah. You see how everybody are run a come now? You see everybody are run a come now? Money. I saw money stay. I saw money stay, you know. Me want one of them forget you, you know. Because I want one way fi help you figure foreign get you. And make you see the difference. Because a lot of these women are real blood clot pretender. Them are going to pretend with you because you're there at Jamaica and them are going to make you feel like them have it a foreign. But when you come a foreign, you're going to see the real blood clot life story. And you're going to see say, the woman where you have in your corner, where did I do everything for you, you're going to say better if you did come on back. Because it did come like you're there at Jamaica and you're there with some man. And him a mind you at Jamaica, you know, but when he come a find you think him a go do the same. So when he send for you, as he send for your relationship, mash up the blood clot kind of one, I tell you say you have to go look work now. Because you did feel like you'd go come here and sit down like when you're there at Jamaica sit down. He might make you know so you have to go look work. And he might make you know so you have to go stand some my bills them. And you now go up to that so you go vex in your feelings and end up left. Foreign woman say them a can live better life. But a 1 out of 1,000 end up find a good foreign woman. We really I go sit down with them and sit down with the fuckery where them keep up. Cause most Jamaican man, you know, a be a idiot thing them keep up, you know. When you run a risk for send for a Jamaican man, one of the biggest risks you run with your life, you know. If you send for a Jamaican man come a foreign, you know. Because then you red. Then you red. You will do everything for them and send for them as you send for them. Then this stuff for your girl where they never seen her in life. They make you know say you're too fat, you're too ugly, you're not then type, you're too miserable and all the years they make you know all of them sitting there. But now they feel like they reach a land of opportunity. 85% of Jamaica man ungrateful. 85%. A Jamaica man ungrateful. As soon as them cross the water, then throw away stick. 85% of them. You just take a woman with little color to get them from you. Not no more. She not have a dime. Just little color and look little better than you. Yeah. I saw 85% of Jamaica man stay. You miss me? I'm here. But as me say, you know, me not take up for nobody, but that when me seen do yesterday, a big pussy hole thing. Big pussy hole thing. You only put the woman in a more depression more than when in a. Because a lot of we Jamaican people for understand, you know. This is how a lot of we express ourselves by cussing and going bad. That's how we blow off with steam, you know. How much are we Jamaican people we love to cuss and go on bad can stand up in front of somebody and hold a good conversation or apologize about something what you do and look in a person's face and apologize? None. Not one. Not one. Because I saw them grow. Or I saw all of we grow. A few away. Few away. can't stand up and look in front of, look past somebody looking at them eye and tell them say you're sorry for what you do. You prefer cuss them and tell them. Years a man and woman live at Jamaica. None of the two of them never telling one another say they love them yet. You know what they say? The two of them say they know. She know. Him know. She know. You ever tell him yet? No. Him ever tell you yet? No. So how you know he love you? Of course I no must love me and me and him live. Him no must love me name baby mother. Him no must love me look much pity me for him. Him ever tell you yet? No. Thank you. That's how we Jamaicans are. We feel shy or we say shame if you tell the person say we love them. How much Jamaican people ever sit down with them pitney and tell them say they love them? Lately they start do it. Lately. And lately a lot of people, enough people special where say back all from family days come up. How much somebody like my age can tell us that their mother or their father ever tell them one day say they love them? Never, not in life. But they say they know. All the way go say the same thing. I just them little new one you know. Get that. And some of the parents still not say it because they feel a way if you say it. If you hold them pitney and look in front of them, look on them pitney in front of them and say, I love you, my daughter, I love you. No. It's hard for them to do it. Your mother never tell you, but you know. That's what me I say. That's how we grow. Nobody now have to tell we. We just tell ourselves that once the person treat we right, then love we. That's all. We don't care about nothing more. But now, a lot of these new generation, them have the guts to tell them kids. But before, none of our parents now go tell we. And lately now, here when them a tell we, now when we are foreign, and the phone a hang up, love you, pan the phone, you know, they can't face you and tell you, you know, them will never tell you in front of you, but they can say it pan the phone, and you say, same to you. You can't even say love you back, or love you too, you say same to you. That's how a lot of Jamaican operate. But them are going to tell themselves, me know my mother love me know my father love me. He ever tell you yet? No. She ever tell you yet? No. So all you know. So me no must know. Okay. Work with that then. So we just work with it. A lot of we can call with man and sit down and hold a good conversation with them. We are going to feel shame. So we cuss them. That's how we blow off a steam. We don't never call him and sit down and say, me here say you talk to one girl now, so I want to know if something goes so hard. If you plan for left or you plan for stay or whatever, you just sit.
People, you see who you see it, Rosealee and JX will hurt each other in a different way. JX do that for hurt Rosealee, nothing more. Because as me see a person must comment or say, it's like him could have video it, him could have record it, but him never did have to go live. Him could have keep it, you know what I mean, if anything him come show it, but him go live and you know what I mean. So that are the mess up part about it. But hopefully my people that outburst last night, the fight and something, at the last fight, you know what I mean, somebody can tell Jake say, yo, you leave that alone, move on with your life. You have purpose, follow your purpose and leave Rosealee alone, make she follow for your purpose.
You don't hold a conversation, no. Dirty blood clot boy, me you say I fuck one dirty blood clot girl. Never sit down and hold a conversation about it. Two of them are going to get mad and start cussing one another. Whether if it goes so or it not goes so. Nobody now be the bigger person for ask say, you know, say me see like a look a funny move or somebody tell me something, but me no want to believe whatever tap. No, then just start cuss. And then I know if I true or a lie. You say to your son no. That's what me I say no people. A lot of people are trying to do it no. But before, how much people can come tell you say their mother ever tell them that are them father? Never. But we know. No, enough of them I follow and say it. You understand? Them I follow and say it. When they tell you you're frightened, like you say, it take you 50 years to tell me that. It take you 40 years to tell me that. Enough of them never tell you until when you fly out of the country. The first time you ever hear from your parents upon a phone. And you and them live for all the years and they never tell you. Because that's how we Jamaicans stay. Yeah. And as we say, when you fly out, and you first go say it to them and them say it back to you. Some of we that never even ask your parents say, you love me? Like, you don't more cuss and say, oh, me know say you don't like me, no. Me know say that one day you prefer. Thank you. I saw it still. But as me say, with the relationship with them two people they have, sweets are always lead people astray. And as me say, me not go tell you say them left or them are left. Me no know. Because a lot of women and man say them left and they no left. And as a man supposed to walk with a woman at all time. Their mouth and their strength. Yesterday me watch one sitting, one liquor laughing sitting, and the woman got doctor and said to the doctor man say, Doc, me have a problem on my yard. My man, everything he argue over. Everything. Every minute me and him in an argument. Me don't know what to do to make him stop. The doctor said to her, say, alright, me go tell you what you do. You see when you go home, you see as soon as you start the argument, just put some water in your mouth and squish on the water. And don't spit out the water and still in stop cuss. And every time he start cuss, she do it. And she go back to the doctor and say, Doctor, it work, you know. But oh, just put little water in my mouth. Stop the argument. The doctor say, I know water do it. And you if you keep your mouth shut. Because once somebody can argue, it take two to make an argument. So if him attack and you not answer, him go talk and done. But if him attack and you attack, he not go done. So meanwhile she have the water left him. Him a wonder say, oh she not answer, oh she not say nothing. In gamble in business or in just stop. Simple. But as me say, a real man, not toe to toe with a man. Special, somebody will do a lot of good for you. A person will do a lot of good for you. You feel just looking at yourself and say, we are going through a rough time right now, but you know what? Let me just avoid that beer. Make she go and kill up herself. But when you come put out or you put out yesterday, you violate big time. You violate big time. Big idiot thing. Now you give more people more things to cuss her and tell her. You know she still will lie down with your car on her baby father, baby mother. But oh, me look on it, me say it's a big pussy hole thing you go on with yesterday. Because you could have just walk away. A matter of fact, even if you even take picture or you not take no picture, and you gone about your business, she still a go contact said we. So it would make a fucking difference. And what we can do about it? What we can do about it? Because a mind game will not play now. A mind game will not play. But the people them we are support you now. And them are idiot.
Alright my people, so we have to go over TikTok live, you know, and hear what she have to say.
A mind game will not play. Big mind game will not play. But as me say, one day house I go tumble down. That's what them a do. A mind game them a play. And only the fool them a go get catch in a trap. Mind game them a play. Only the fool them a go get catch in the trap. So from the time he say he want the money to get the house, he get the house money long time, you know. He get the house money long time. But it's not about the house no more. You understand? It's not about the house no more. And come to think of it, with the two of them behavior where them are going with on the internet, with the CDA them dep on the internet and I watch where I go on and sitting, none of them no fit to get back a pit to them neither. None of them no fit to get back a pit them with them behavior where them are going with on the internet right now, you know. Because them only make it worse. Them only make it worse. Him get more than the money for do what him say him want to do. So go do what you do. You come and show a video. You show a picture. Come on. Then, alright. Look, you know. Me see one screen record where Rosealee must see the back of him a cuss and she must have a knife in her hand. Uno people will say him no lick woman. And a lie she tell. You say you quick in draw board for go lick her down. Me didn't want the people them move and make him do him and do me could say. Me never want the people them to hold him. Me never want the people them to hold him. Because a leopard never change in spot. A leopard never ever change in spot. So me did want the people them to leave him alone and make him go lick her make we see with the board because uno say him no lick man, him no beat a man. Rosealee soup show up by my age. Like they must have look and say, what? I want that shit none. Me don't have that a blood clot. Me don't like white food. My meat have to have color. Unless a good chicken foot soup, pumpkin soup, where you know say it and it still a go catch the color. Cause pumpkin a go catch in a chicken foot and them there. No like that. People. Me not tell a lie still, you know. The people them on the internet are easy, you know. Rosealee have to calm down her temper. Jake's bust out already now. He might get all kind of inbox from all type of girl. This is where Rosealee da run from. Cause none of you just a play hypocrite, you know. This is where Rosealee da run from. Rosealee never want him on the internet because she knows that if him go up on the internet, she can lose him. We need for the soup challenge. All we need for this. Me bad pan soup, you fuck. A fish soup. Me love cook fish soup though. Soup challenge. A Rosealee soup I go win. One whole of chicken drop in the water and throw some Irish potato and the soup down and scallion and piece of okra. No soup? And she said it tastes good. That's a Rosealee little bit. Come off a Rosealee little. So what going on with Anya, Akiwaka and Zoe now? Red pea soup. My mother see one on the internet and she cooks at the red peas with cow skin and beef and pig's tail, pumpkin with red peas, you know. She said she on the internet and she said she gonna try it. She did taste, it come out good because me eat 4 dumpling. Me gonna say something to you now. You see Jamaican woman, any Jamaican woman we have them daughter and then daughter fuck out a road, then we don't know. You say the daughter fuck in front of you, you have a blood clot, no. Cause you're no idiot. You say Pitney we go to school every day, you don't know where I go on with the road, you know. So he have 2 personality. One a road and one a yard. So it's harder for him parents know say I go on with things a road. You see one where they run you every day. You can't tell me say you know see blood clot movements and you know see changes as a mother. Liar blood clot tell. Liar tell. You can't tell me that. And one thing me know, me can't stand up in a crowd. The first time me go up on the ends and me can stand up in a crowd on the ends and me can know who I talk to who. Just by looking how the person react when she see the person there, or how him set for him face, or how she a go on with for her body, or how she a go on with her face when she see a specific man. Me can say, that one day fuck she, you know. Because you know see every time when time the boy pass, you know see how her body get jiggy, or you can know because that's how we stay, we are female. And then we see what we want is like we body get like we dip on drugs. Either we are skin off with teeth, we are smile, or we are move up with body. Girl, come no more if you say no. Cause you see boy where you understand where it make your body nudge. She can't tell me say she never know say him and she in a things. You know why? A long time it a go on. And even if you never know.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. We are going to move on to the next.
You hear it attack round you. So now you are going to start to say, blood clot. You know, hear Anna, I say, Zoe and Aki walk. You know, hear that one day over there, so I say it. You know, hear that one day over there, so no man, me have to go pay. Where then get that from? Me have to start pay attention. You never know. In I first, you can't tell me say you never know. But in I last, you can't tell me say you never know. Plus, when they in I car and you in I car and them argue, you know, I wonder like, oh, then get thick. Oh, she are wearing clothes. You know, wonder all of them something there. Oh, she there in yard. Because we get to find out say, you did hear say she did the yard already, and when they go there, shit, them never want to open the door. And you come and tell us say you never know. You know why you say it? Because the internet a come down by you. And you realize say the CDA thing where everybody a talk about. You can't get yourself in a so you try to dry yourself out of it. But put fun and joke aside. You can't tell me say you never know. And the reason as me tell you can't tell me say you never know that the first half. But the talking a go round. And from talking a go round you go start look out of your eye. And you go call the little girl one side and say, you know say me hear your sister said this whatever. Where you and whatever. You don't care. You know business.
Kill it! Me ask you kill it. This is somebody an idiot. Bitch, you an idiot. Decline man, I'm gonna suck your man every minute you have this. What do you? Me not play nothing man, I'm gonna suck your man, you know. Which part one girl like that you say, yo dog, call link. Your house big and dirty, your house resemble you. From me see you wanna go off your yard. Because you never look clean yet. I've never seen you clean. Me never see you clean it. Not even in your little blood class school uniform where you ever wear. Your little pumpkin skirt, Halloween soon gone, you know, girl. 2 more weeks for Halloween in a big bitch. Big sour weird think individual. You in your little blood class one suit every day. A one skirt you have. I they never have no more size for your big bitch. Big barrel. You look a warp shaped in bitch. You get up every day in your little one suit. Who the fuck? I gotta take you up in your little 3-piece suit. One blouse, one brassiere, and your little blood class skirt. Who I gonna take you up in your one suit, girl? Who? You can't even clean, you don't bathe yourself. Under your creases, them sour. Every one of your crease, them sour. The crease right there, the crease right there. Mama about 10 layer right there, so 1 layer stink, 1 layer sour, 1 layer frozy. Move your big overweight stretch mark blood clot right here, so 1 of your blood clot hand them. Me see 1 piece of fat drop down and me say kiss me rascal. Me say the piece of fat a swing like when time blood clot Brian Lara licky 6 them. Like when Bumbo clot Brian Lara go so 6. Chris Gill go so 6. A be a blood clot meat. Nobody at all want your pussy hole. You live in your own blood clot mind, you overweight car. Your big blood clot machinery. You fucking 12-wheel trailer. Your 24 blood clot inch TV bitch. Your big back bumbo hole. And that you go focus pan. Me see you run on pan drinks. Drinks you better me. Who can't hold me now? No, you couldn't hold me. Who couldn't blood clot hold me? I beat out the one on the blood clot with the piece of wood. Who do see that the big woman we are taking girl the way I disrespect this up? I want to see some you have everything girl. I want the blood clot to hold up on me. I beat out to the blood clot. And when I done, I got a prison phone. I would have got jail for the blood clot. Every single one I would have got jail for that day. You hear me telling you? Who do see the big overweight blood clot girl? Country man, he man up on the life. Now bother the thing, girl. He man move out of the big overweight wash pan blood clot house. And the girl country man, I would really have said Jakes no be killing. Jakes, you should have pushed your blood clot rat chicken at him. You should have pushed your rat chicken at him, Jakes. I took a pity them. Jakes, let me tell you this, Jakes. No make no thing, girl. Blood clot style you. You see how you fucker look like you little leprechaun. You come in a leprechaun. Dirty ugly leprechaun looking bitch. Stinking girl. You go over there, you see man a do him thing. You vex because he might get lion and Mustafa. Big pussy girl. And you feel hurting in yourself. You go give them a good down. You left run lion to money gun. And thinking girl. You go over there, you attacky man. Who if you move out that way, make Drakes kill that. Who if you move out that way, make Jakes broke up a piece of board in a blood clot head. You always a provoking man. And then I can tell them you waste ya. Boss say, yeah, I've been abused all my life. Oh my God, Jakes abused me. And you come on Jeffrey life, go openly admit to cheating on the man. Treating the man like shit. Entertaining other people. You deserve every fuck click when you get. I'm sorry you never kick you out in a one car. I'm sorry you never push you out in front of one trailer. I wish you did use your grease one car wheel. Dirty blood clot girl. Your big stinker overweight and I come go like say, yeah, somebody. Nobody wants you. No one wants you. Not even the TikTok money. People say you're broke, Dirty Rose. You could live some of your money. Dirty stinking Rose, you can't tell them your people a lie. Me can't have money and live some. I lie me a tell TikTok. TikTok, I lie me a tell TikTok. Me can't have money and live some. TikTok move the money. TikTok, me can't overweight, workless blood clot. After TikTok see how you live. You have no talk about your girl. You have beg so long and you couldn't up your thing. Your thing down a ground no blood like one tile. Dirty girl, move your underground bitch cell from here so dirty girl. You pity them and live worse than the man them a blood clot. New Kingston and I gully. Thinking girl, there is no way you still a shit outside and I bring up people. Latrine, shut up. Your blood clot. Latrine, tap in eyes. Jesus Christ, girl shit out that door and cuss? Crazy? Which girl shit out that door can cuss me? Where? Which girl? What you open one bathroom door can go? Move your big overweight so good self, girl. The whole of the blood clot toilet bump them by your body bigger or ugly in a pussy clot. Move your latrine body and go suck out your mother. Worthless fat girl. You shame like dog. You never know. See we never see where you live. Yeah, I know the one like a call about. Tap on my screen, guys. Tap on my screen. What money gonna want hot on way? What money gonna want hot on way? Like your blood clot, I draw you there. We're glad to see the little circumference where you're living on. I want that 14 by 10. Blood clot. Oh, you're Andreas swollen there, so. Me say you no can't hard you are. You big like one blood clot standing fridge. So me don't know how you walk around in a blood clot that. Me say Anna like me. When you hit the gym and go run me 5 miles them. You know no snatch waist, you know. So you not like you can. You don't have my body. Me a look good girl, you a big bitch. You don't have, you big look like a whirlpool washing machine. So how you are go walk in that the house there? Me can't tiptoe around for me blood clots, the furniture them like say, you crazy? What the blood clot me I do? I tiptoe me can't tiptoe in my blood clot room. Mr. Rosealee never seen a film room. Me have to walk, I lick up my food one time, me ball like her. Me have to blood clot of space. Me have to have space, girl. Me have to 316 on my blood clot house. When me turn, me no fi lick up in the wall. When me roll off on my bed, me fi drop a ground and not lick the wall. Move your blood clot. Girl, you a beg and have nothing. Go a careless rose. You beg for blood clot gamble. You beg for smoke. You beg for go buy gadgets. How you buy gadgets and Chantal have a room? Oh, you go buy blood clot gadgets and Chantal have a bathroom to go piss in like girl pitney. You don't realize that Chantal here will go in the bathroom go wipe her little front with tissue. And so when she pee. Go a girl, you still have Chantal piece of blood clot back door. Go a thinking fat girl. You is nothing, boy, you a star. We star living in one room all way. Yo, blood clot. Run, so one room, man. Let me tell you where I'm one room. The big living room where you see, my bar over there, so my washroom there right there, my bathroom, my walk-in closet there over there.
Hey, I want thing with pretty than you know people. Pretty than not easy, you know. People wanna tell me what they think, cause yo, pretty than I forgot Affy forever beat Rosealee. But people after pick scene about what Dan did I say about Aki Walk and Zoe scene and Annie never know whatever go on between them. People watch style now, how come Anna know and Annie don't know? That more ask.
So my big room there over there, so Mama, we're not the same. My bathroom have 2 compartments. My faucet, they by itself on one big place. And then the commode, it's by itself with the shower. Me say, yes, girl, I saw one room for look. Move your blood clot, stinking fat blood clot, non-ambitious, waste self from here. So, Jake should have used the machete or a piece of board and bust up your face. The whole of them sister, you are provoking, man. Our police sister, you are provoking, man. Drakes, you see anyone that girl that come and see her again, bro, mash up him, we pay for. Yeah, Jakes, believe me. Jakes, me send a piece of food come give. Me bail you youth. Bust up in face. Anyone see you and then try you again, Jakes. Bust in face, Jakes. I will send you bail. Just make me know who fi bail you youth. You see me I say? Just make me know who fi bail you. No make no girl take no step on your Jakes. No girl. No bitch. No big oversized donkey. No make no dirty girl take no step on you. Box and kick down that. If you have to go to jail, make we know. Because police can't lock you up. If you fuck up someone who can't say fuck with you, go and go make a report against him, Jakes. So you see, next time he come fuck with you, you can't mash him up and not come out of here. Here, go up a station, tell them, you leave our place. You're not bothering her. You're not troubling her. Every time I tell you, walk, come know where you're there. Out of nowhere, as long as he said Drakes, and I'll be a nuisance to you. Beat him! And that you Lord, dog there for mash up him blood clot because he not stop be a nuisance to your youth. You, he not stop be a nuisance to your dog. And here what you do now, you have to make an example out of that big hog there. You hear me? I tell you, my general, don't make this big stinking overweight girl have nothing over you. He man no star. If she a star, you a star too. Cause star don't live like how that the dog shit they live. You hear me? The next time you see you run on for your jakes, floor him blood clot jakes. Give him one thump in him blood clot big throat. Fling him down the ground. You see me? Because the man there, he man now trouble you. You come here, see ya. Jakes. Move your big stinking overweight blood clot. Thanks to the live ball fam.
Jake Steve me that. That's what you hear today. You hear everything with Jake Steve. You hear everything with Jake Stick. Remember, you know, previously when you in the house, now she's always say, Jake take my money. And when you look, she go find back the money. By the time you look, she find the money. She always accuse him of taking things from before. The man is an idiot. The man is an idiot. Him know how she stay. The man know how she stay. Cause she want come look sympathy for the internet. Yeah, she said, Jakes, take me $1 million. Jakes this, Jakes that. The other thing with Jakes take. What Jakes would have take this morning if him never video that they hosted when him come out. We wouldn't have ears for hear. Them lucky. That they hug like you're lucky. Anything she say, if she say me do it, me not care. I wish me tell him to do it, cause I tell him to do it everywhere. Cause I want to swear the pity them sleep. I want to see everything. Me don't do half-ass work. When me do work, me want to see everything. That shit was half-ass. That shit was half-ass. All you must surely draw them. You can imagine? That's supposed to go on a bed and then place there. And if I just draw them in show and you, girl, that's supposed to go on a bed. Supposed to go on a bed. No, sir. Child, please. Every time something happens to Rose, look somebody for blame. She can't blame me, I don't care. Tell her to beat me. Tell her to sue me. Tell her to go sue me. And that shit to do. Tell her to sue me. Tell her to sue me, then show up her dirty house. But she come a ball. Sue me, bitch. You should be ashamed. So much she and rat live. That the room that's so small and it's supposed to take you 20 minutes to clean it up. The room is so small. No, me they do the partner side. God is good, good whole. What you talk about? God is good. God knows that this a girl like me couldn't defend this a girl. And them are nasty. They say you're crazy. No man, God no make no mistake. When God tell us if we take out them demon they cause this a girl a nasty beyond Yo, Rosealee the nastiest girl on the internet. Yo, Rose did I try to say, oh, the man, she feel up the man body hole. Like, Rose I try to bring down the man, and she, the way how she dance, she don't realize that she had bring down herself. She, the way she had tried to embarrass the man, she had tried to talk. So the man sleep with her sister and her mother. Like, girl, are you are the only, you look like the dog shit in that story there. You look the worst in there because if you know say one man.
The people want to tell me one thing cause if GX are not the mother and the sister and Rosealee, the whole of them know him woman. So them have all right to do whatever him want and do with the whole of them. You see me I say? So if him done with Rosealee, him not done with them. So Rosealee have to just take for yourself out of the way make him and deal with the rest of woman them. Because that's how you look my people. Because Rosealee come and say the man there with the sister and the mother too, you know. So boy, GX a bad boy people. Make me know what I think.
Sleep with your whole family and you still a lie down with him? So yeah, she tried everything for Jakes look bad. And now she come out looking the worst. If everything where you say, all right, make we say, we believe everything where she say about GX. And you look the worst. You bring down yourself, girl. Cause if you know say one man sleep with your mother, your auntie, your sister, everybody, and you still there play house with him, no, are you look like the worst. That no make the man look. Man will sleep with anything. We all know man sleep with anything. And she will stop tell like her, she knows that the man don't sleep with her mother, but she just want feel embarrass the man. She wants to say anything. But Rose, like, you know, she just want to embarrass the man. She just want to embarrass the man. And she thinks that she embarrass the man when she don't know say herself she embarrass. And something with Rose sit on plan. Rose just sit on plan say you go say that. Remember you send out the voice note.
I don't want for class chicks. And tell you so I'm fuck everybody now my blood class and then them boy him out.
You hear that? She plan it.
With me class him over there. Me class on the whole family over that blood clot and shame on no. Tell him to leave out of my blood clot place. For disgrace take him. You know, I see it no kick your fight. And my platform and my court here me kick him up for that blood clot. Tell him to ramp with me.
You know, remember saying they send out the voice note telling grandmother say we go over there go tell them saying sleep with the whole family and the whole family bow him out. That's something we plan. Like she's so like she's so dunce, may I tell you. You plan it, girl. We know say you know say it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, girl. You don't make no sense. Everything you try if you do to him, it just backfire upon you. Chatting don't realize say everything where she try to do to GX, it backfire upon her. Everything where she try to do to GX backfire upon her. Everything where she try to do to him, it just backfire upon her. Make she when she come out contact to the man now wash Shanta up panty them. She thinks we don't come and say, yeah, GX, if you wash Shanta up panty them. No, lady, you supposed to teach your daughter if you wash her panty them. Every time she try to bring him down, it backfire. Every time she try to bring him down, it backfire. Yeah, because she lie. Every time she try. Mr. Mia, she bought us something this morning, you know. And chat, me I go say something. Every time she try to bring him down, me she bought us say, Akeem is a curse. It's a curse to GX, to Rose, but it's a blessing. Somebody block that person the name Sano. It's a curse to Rose, but it's a blessing to GX. And it is so true. She about to say Akeem is a curse to Rose, but a blessing to GX. Because if Akeem never come up and show up something that and show up Rose and make Rose start do the things them GX would realize in worth. Me can't add her invitation off. Yes. Akeem is a curse to Rose. I not even a curse in show up Rose dirty ways too, you know. But trust me, him is a blessing to GX, because if I never Akeem, GX would have still sit down in there living at this mess here. Yes. Jakes would still be sitting down there living in this mess and don't know him power and don't know say him can rise above that. Yes. She got listen to me, she got turn pan all of them browning. She got turn pan the whole of them over there and encourage her to left her man, to left her baby father. She's going to turn on all of them. We're over there. Encourage her to left her baby father. Me, I telling her say, she go turn on all of them. We encourage her to left her baby father. Trust me, say she go turn on all of them. We encourage her to leave her baby father. Remember me telling her that. She go turn on every last one of them. We encourage her to leave her baby father. Because them just a little clout for her, and when things get rough and things get tough, them she not see them. Them not put up with the things them which them when she really needs somebody, they're not going to be there for her. The things them with Jakes put up with, them not put up with that. The things them with Jakes put up with, them not put up with that. So trust me, when the reality really sets in and all of this fluff and all of this clout gone and everything, and she have to sit down with herself, nobody not put up with her. No, nobody not put up with her like how that the man they used to put up with her. Chat, we have to know, you know, within a relationship, you know, especially a relationship for 12 years, trust me, the things with that the man they will put up with you. Hi, Tassie. The things that the man or woman will put up with you, nobody else nah put up with that. Because for somebody sitting with you 12 years, you know, trust me, say them start put up with things, you know. Oh, me never know say you're risky. You should tell me say you're risky. Me never know say you. Unblock the page there. Me never know say you man risky. Come here, one I say who name so. The things that one man we put up with like him look for Akeem. Akeem can't even take Rose attitude in run gone. Akeem can't even take Rose attitude in run gone. Let me tell you. Unblock the page there. With the arms. Linus, unblock the page there. Me tell you with Rose. Akeem can't even take Rose's attitude. Akeem can't even take the internet and talk about him certain way. You think that Akeem I go sit down with Rose? No, sir. Me tell you what Jakes do. Jakes do where some woman do sit down with one man. You know, there's a woman sit down with one man for kids' sake. That's what Jakes did do. Jakes wanted his children to have the best life, so him sit down with Rose to make that happen. Him do like what a lot of women do. Them sit down with a man because of them are the breadwinner and they want to keep them family together. So Jakes do what a lot of women do in their everyday life. They know them just sit down with a man and just put up with certain things because they want to have them children under one roof and just raise them children as a family. That's what Jakes do. He just like the reverse. You can imagine, alright, chat. Thanks, Nikki Bada. You can imagine, chat, right? Rose, I live with a rat. Cause she live with the rat them, you know. And she and the rat them live. And she gonna take up $650 and buy a Creed cologne for a man. And she live with a rat. Rat and roach. The other day she come at cost Jakes for $20,000. And you are gonna take up $650 US. Well, you never work for now. I beg it. If you go buy one Creed cologne for a man we don't even like you. One man we don't even want to share a screen with you. The man don't even want to share a screen with you. And you, I live with a rat. You live with a rat and roach. That $650 there could have get you one nice, fix up your room nice, paint up your room, fix up it, make it look livable. Yeah, she live with the whole animal kingdom. She's so disgusting. Me never see rat shit big so in my life yet. The rat shit them big. She can't even put a bulb in her ceiling. The wiring is there, you know. And Rose couldn't even get an electrician for putting one bulb just to have light. She lived in that room there from, she said, from Shanta baby. And she couldn't even put a light bulb in her ceiling. But you want to take up $650 by cologne, man. A ring light you use for light. Ring light. You know what, when she's standing at the room there with that show, she big and she just make that the room there just big and hot. Cause Rose look like her body just dash out heat, you know. Me said the girl make her body like she look like her body just a fling out some heat, you know, that the room there. That the room there smell like fart, burp, sweat, cum. You can imagine that Rose sex now that the room there. It's not supposed to stink. She spit in there. She do everything in there. She smoke in there. Can you imagine when all of them they scent they combine? Jesus have mercy. Can you imagine when all our rose scent them combine at the room there? No, sir. That's supposed to far. That's supposed to worse than using ammonia. That's supposed to worse than using ammonia. It's supposed to knock you out. You can imagine when all of them scent they are circulating at the little room there. I can't find a way to escape. We are talking about BO, you know, body odor, sweat, stinking mouth, stinking crotches, sex smell.
Kids them and everything and so. You know me did have vouch for her at one point. So she forget back her kids them. But at the rate how Rosealee move right now, me not think she forget them back. Rosealee nah move good. She nah move right. You said Jake so come out of your house, him come out of your house, him gone. Him come out of your house, him gone. Stay far from him to know. The two want to stay far from one another because it's toxic. And it's not good for the kids them because they don't understand. Say CDs on TikTok, they're watching everything. They might use everything for using a court against the two and not realize.
Can you name them out for me, please?
Peter, Paul, John, Luke, Matthew, Mark.
So which one was the best?
Mark.
Why would you say that?
Because Mark really loving, caring and kind.
So did you love Mark?
Yeah.
Why?
Because Mark have the best interest in me.
So why did you two break apart?
Because Mark just... I don't take a disrespect for invitation, that's a one. And in this new, so... Yeah, brother.
Oh, in this one?
I don't want to say it.
Run off with the car? So Mark are the baby father?
Mark run off with the car.
Hey, yo, King.
What's good, brother?
What's up, dummy?
What's going on, dumbass? They said,
what are you doing?
That's what I'm saying. It's AR, bro. The AR shit is getting crazy.
King, that's AI? King, that's AI?
Bro, that's AR, bro. I swear to God, that's AI.
Are you sure?
Hey, bro, stop playing with me, man. Fuck, I look like wearing a whole bathing suit, bro. That's not even, come on,
that looks sexy as fuck, man.
They said Kitty wanna laugh. Who is Kitty? Oh, this her. Kitty.
Key, your body is steep.
Who this is? They said no state farm. Oh, that.
King, your body was steep. Oh, well, I'm gonna go chat to him.
All right.
He's mad now. Yeah, about that AI shit.
Where that AI, man?
Chat to me and freeze.
I ain't gonna lie, bitch, I'm like a bear right now, play. Bitch, I'm scared as hell, chat. I mean, look at his eye. He's like an unknown species. No, literally,
what do you
like
eat?
I'm saying, something very rare, like a rare, you know what I'm saying, disease. We know what he be doing. He knew that.
Yeah, mama.
Hey, go suck out your
Father mix. King, what's that you eating?
What the fuck?
Oh, that's cheap.
That bitch like a dog. Damn. That bitch like
Yeah, man, Father, I'm a good man, you're good.
He say, what the fuck? What was that, man? Nigga asked me what I was eating. He thought a bitch was feeding him. He said, like, bro, what are you doing, gang? My boy got his middle part going on. Okay, then. My boy got his middle part. My boy go. My boy go slick middle part on their ass on gang. Tell him to stop playing.
You like that?
My boy
you like
go,
that?
bro, gang. Like, you literally remind me of